Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to sculpt this cute cupcake together step by step. First step, create a tube. Turn on the create mode. Turn it off again. Scale the bottom a little bit, reduce the Y division to 1 and to make sure the X division is set to 30. Remove the top cap and validate. In the symmetry section, set the Y radial to 15. And with the mask tool, shade it like this. Invert it, then scale it using the gizmo. Clear the mask. Make a copy and hide it for now. Mask the whole shape and close the hole. Boxer image. Reset the symmetry settings and smooth it a little bit. With the inflat tool, make the top slightly puffed up. Just like this. By the way, I actually learned this trick from this channel. Clear the mask and try to smooth it again. Now go back to the other shape and extract it. Or you know what? Maybe subdivide it before extracting. Very good. Now extract it. Add another tube to make the cream. Adjust it to looks like this. Here like this. Set the post subdivision to 2 and scale the X division a little bit. Turn on twist and scale it. Turn on spiral and play around with the settings until you get a result you like. Okay, I think this is good for me. Try to place it in the right spot. Just like this. Voxeremish it? And smooth it? Make sure it has only one face group. Then quadrimish. Maybe to 11? And inflate it a little. Smooth it again. Oh, smooth it again. Maybe voxelimish again. Other quadrimish. Quadrimish again and again until you are happy with the result. Scale it a little, just like this. It's looking amazing. Time for colors. Set the roughness. For the cream, I choose pink. And brown for the cake. For this cover here, I want to add a texture. Let me check the UV. I think it's really good, no need to fix it. Select the texture you want. Maybe scale it. Good. I want to try something. Or not, I don't like it. What about those little things they put on cupcakes? I don't know what they're called. So it's simple, just place the cylinder like this in the right place, scale it, move it, click the instance and move it. Oh no, fix the gizmo direction. Make sure the green arrow is pointing up like I did. Back to transform, click on instance and move it. Don't lift your finger, press the repeat button. And instance one of them. Group the others and do the same steps with this one. So transform, repeat, and move like this. Here we go. I want another one here. Group these as well. And maybe, reduce the division. Color them maybe yellow. And green. Oh no, blue. I forgot about this. Remove these. Set the HDRI. Add the light. And color the background. Maybe to purple. Play around with post-process settings. And you are done. Here's our cute cupcake. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!